Africa's drone market is projected to reach $9.29 billion by 2034. The pilots who move now will own it. From precision agriculture and crop health NDVI mapping to mineral exploration and mining surveys to high-resolution topographic mapping, critical infrastructure inspections, and real-time wildlife conservation monitoring, drones are transforming outcomes. The skills are here. The demand is growing. What's been missing is the connection. Drone Market Access Africa is the platform built to change that. A continental gateway linking certified pilots with international clients, project partners, and sector-specific opportunities. Create a verified pilot profile, showcase your portfolio, and appear on country pages that match you with jobs across Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, and beyond. Get visibility to global clients, access to commercial briefs, and invitations to pilot projects that prove value on the ground. Right now, Drone Market Access Africa is offering free founding membership to certified drone pilots. Be among the first. Build your profile, add screenshots and gallery work, and get discovered. Join the movement connecting Africa's drone future today. Visit dronemarketaccess.com.